In this video we're going to be going over Builderall's Photo Studio. What is up guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we're going to be going over Builderall's Photo Studio. And the Photo Studio allows you to create beautiful images, beautiful social media graphics, and also allow you to create 3D models and pictures of your products. So it's a very handy little tool. It's not very complicated, it's pretty straightforward. So without further ado, let's jump in. The Photo Studio allows you to create beautiful graphics, logos and social media graphics. And it's a really cool way to also create 3D images that spin around. So let's jump into the Photo Studio. So we're in the Photo Studio and you have to download an app onto either the Apple App Store or Google Play, and once you've downloaded that you can take the images surrounding the image to create 3D rotations, and you can also create cool collages and cool graphics and images with the Photo Studio app. I can't download the apps onto my computer, so I can't show you exactly how it works, but you can create really cool images, really cool designs, and like 3D rotations. So if you're having images in a store and people want to see the image from all sides, you can take like 15 images from all around different angles, and then they can use their mouse to spin the images around so they can get a full 3D view. So really cool tool for design and presentation. So that was Builderall's Photo Studio. I hope you found lots of useful tips on how you can use it in your business and how you can use it for the 3D models, for social media graphics and so on and so forth. If you have a physical product business, then the Photo Studio is definitely going to help you to create those 3D spinning models so you can show people the full product instead of just a flat 2D view of it. So I hope you found that useful, and if you're ready to get started with Builderall, then click the link in the description to start your 7-day free unlimited trial of the Photo Studio and all 29 plus tools which Builderall has right now. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up, hit the bell notification and subscribe to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video.